Hi, multigrain dosa. I would like to share with you the recipe of this multigrain dosa, which is healthy, packed with the proteins, and enjoy it during this lockdown. Try your hand in preparing it. It's good. Alright, for the multigrain dosa, you can use whatever pulses and grains that you have with you. I usually, apart from all the pulses and grains that I have with me, I use a small cup of rice and a quarter cup of urud dal along with foxtail millet and ragi, tur dal, green gram, black gram. Black gram is urud dal, and whatever the chana dal or black chana, whichever you have. Don't look for anything. At least have, and all these pulses and grains. Add 2 tablespoons along with half cup of rice and quarter cup of urad dal, and then wash them nicely, and that's how it looks like. It looks colorful. Then I usually prefer that to be soaked in drinking water, not on and after the soaked overnight soaking, you see how it looks like. Along with it, I also add this beaten rice soaked, and then a little bit of ginger and uh, green chili while grinding. Add this ginger and green chili while grinding, and while soaking it, you can add a little bit of fenugreek, and I forgot to mention that. And this is how the batter looks like. And I season the batter with mustard, green chilies, and curry leaves, and especially gingerly oil. After seasoning, let it cool down, and then add it to the batter, and then mix it well. And it add salt to the taste. Wow, looks great. Now the pan is ready. Now you just pour the batter in circular motion and make it as a round thing, and then as it, and use gingerly oil, and then how it looks good, and it goes well with this is a garlic chutney that I had, and you can go with it can go with protein rich multigrain dosa. Looking forward to see you with another recipe. Right? Apart from my training programs, enjoy my recipes too. Cheers. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye. Well, it goes with coconut chutney. At the same time, my wife is telling me that you are responsible for the dishes. All the best. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.